In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a record ID in Airtable. Record IDs are really useful whenever you're working with automations, integrations, or the Airtable API. They act like a unique fingerprint for each record in your base. Knowing how to quickly find that ID can save you a lot of time and confusion, especially when you're troubleshooting or connecting Airtable to other tools. First, go ahead and open the Airtable base that contains the record you're interested in. This might be a table for projects, clients, tasks, inventory, or anything else you've set up. Make sure you're in the correct table within the base, since each table can have its own separate list of records. Take a moment to scan through your records and locate the specific one you need. You can scroll, use the search bar at the top, or apply filters if you have a lot of data and want to narrow things down. Once you've found the right record, click on it to expand it. When you do this, Airtable opens that record in a new panel or window on the right-hand side of your screen, depending on your layout. This expanded view shows all the fields and details for that record, which is often where you work when you're editing information or reviewing everything in one place. You don't need to change anything inside the record itself for this process. We only need it expanded so the URL updates in your browser. With the record expanded, turn your attention to the address bar in your browser. This is where you'll see the full URL that Airtable is using for that specific record view. In that URL, Airtable includes the record's unique ID. The record ID always starts with the letters RESI and is followed by a combination of letters and numbers. Look closely at the URL and find the part that comes right after the table name. Immediately after the table identifier, you'll see that rec code. It appears before any question mark symbol in the URL. Everything from RESI up to just before the question mark is your record ID. You can highlight that portion of the URL and copy it to use in scripts, automations, or third-party integrations. And that's all you need to do. Open your base, expand the record, and grab the record ID from the URL between the table name and the question mark. Once you've done it a couple of times, it becomes second nature.